Open the packaging box. Take out the bicycle. Remove all protective foam paper. Open the accessory box. Comes with a charger inside. Pedal. Toolkit. Small bell. Remove all protective foam paper. Unfold the riser. Locking quick release. Loosen the handle fixing nut. Adjust the angle of the handle. Tighten the fixing screws. Rotate the instrument to the appropriate angle. Install headlights and mudguards. Install gaskets and screws. Tighten the screws. Remove the front fork protection strip. Loosen the front wheel fixing screw. Align the front fork and install the front wheel. Tighten the screws. Distinguish the left and right markings on the pedals. Install foot pedal. Tighten the screws. Installation is complete.